Welcome, dear grade 12 students. As we agreed before, this is the second part of the sessions that we dedicated for discussing use of language questions as taken from Practice Test Advanced 2016. Today is the second part and we are going to discuss grammar. Let's begin with models. Question number 1. There is a complete prohibition of hunting whales in the Red Sea. You remember how we express prohibition by using a modal verb. So the question is, which of the following best replaces the above sentence? Can we replace the sentence by you needn't hunt whales in the Red Sea? Can we replace the sentence by using needn't, or you must not hunt whales in the Red Sea, or you might not hunt whales in the Red Sea, or you don't have to hunt whales in the Red Sea? I think you remember that we express prohibition. We say that someone is not allowed to do something by using mustn't and can't. That's very good. So B is the correct answer. And here is a reminder. We use needn't or don't have to express lack or absence of necessity. And we use mustn't and can't to express prohibition. As for might, we use it to express weak possibility. Okay. Question number 2 would be about passive voice. The child did not eat the healthy food cooked by his mother. Try to analyze the sentence. The child, this is the subject of the sentence. Did not eat, this is the verb in the negative form and it's in the past simple. And the healthy food, this is a noun phrase. This is the object of the sentence. And you know that in order to change a sentence into passive, we should be able to locate the object to start the new sentence with it. So, what is the correct passive form for the above sentence? The healthy food was cooked by the child, or the healthy food was not eaten by the child, or the healthy food is not eaten by his mother, or the healthy food is not cooked by his mother. Very good. B is the correct answer. The healthy food was not eaten by the child. And here you are, 3 steps to change a sentence from active into passive. Start with the object of the original sentence, which is the healthy food, and then verb to be conjugated in the right tense, was, and then the past participle, and here it is in the negative form. So the whole verb phrase is was not eaten. And step number 3, you can end your sentence by using by plus agent. Agent is the real doer of the action by the child. Another question concerning passive, question number 3. This sector has always been traditionally space by men. The sentence is in the passive. This sector has always been traditionally. What we need here is the past participle. Very good. So it's not dominate and it's not dominates, but it's dominated. You are right. The original sentence in the active was like this. Men have always traditionally dominated this sector. Don't care much about always and traditionally. Both are adverbs. Just look at men, the subject, have dominated, the verb in the present perfect, and the object, this sector. Okay, this is again the main verb of the sentence. Let's now move to reported speech. This question 4. Mona said to me, I went to the university yesterday. Think of the sentence elements which should be changed from direct into indirect or reported speech. Think of I, think of the verb went, the tense past simple, and think then of the adverb of time yesterday. Now the question is, what is the correct reported form of the above sentence? Mona told me that I go to the university yesterday. No. Mona said to me that she went to the university yesterday. No. Mona told me that she had gone to the university the day before. Now I think that you have got the answer. It's C. That's very good. 4 changes happened in this sentence. Said to me, told me. I became she. Went, had gone. Yesterday, the day before. And here you are some adverb changes that happen in the reported speech. I took it from page 182, 12 advanced. Stop here and study them carefully. And here you are another part of another page. Tense change in reported speech. Present simples should be changed into past simple, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, etc. You can go to page 183 for further practice. Here you are another sentence, also in the reported speech. The sentence reads, "My mother said to me, make your beds before leaving to school." The question reads, what is the correct reported form of the above statement? My mother invited us to make our beds before leaving to school. Is there any invitation in this sentence? B. My mother begged us to make our beds before leaving to school. Is the mother begging? My mother ordered us to make our beds before leaving to school. Sure, this is an order from the mother. You've got the answer. Very good. C. Our teacher said to us, don't make noise while going out of the classroom. How can we change it into reported speech? Our teacher agreed not to make a noise while going out of the classroom, or our teacher suggested not making noise while going out of the classroom. I think he neither agreed nor suggested, but very good. Our teacher warned us not to make noise while going out of the classroom. I think you've got the answer. That's very good. As for this sentence, it's a bit complicated because it's got a relative clause inside with the passive, and in addition there is a question of subject-verb agreement. The number of cars which space every year has risen considerably. The number of cars which is stolen or are stolen or had been stolen or has been stolen. Remember that the phrase the number of cars, for example in Doha streets, this part of the sentence is treated as singular, so we use has risen. But as for which, this relative pronoun and the whole relative clause which are sold every year, we call it in grammar identifying relative clause, and it is in the passive voice, and this relative clause refers to the nearest noun, which is in this case plural, cars, so the answer is B. Very good. Thank you so much for following us, and I wish you good luck. Goodbye.